into a hurricane and decide, maybe I should fly straight through it. Because that's what's about to happen.
And remember the story of Icarus, whose father gave him wings made of wax, warned him not to fly too close to the sun. But the exhilaration was too great, so he flew higher and higher until the sun melted his wings and he fell into the sea.
Running all over the place. Some of you with your dreadlocks. Some of you with an African name as long as North Avenue.
Dear Street Mixtape.
It's impossible to defend black law and not break white law.
Give me your trap money.
To do that.
We got nominal control. We are going down.
Definitely